Hi, I'm Steve, and I'd like to thank you for joining me on the Panoramic Travels YouTube channel, where we provide videos about our travels and about the Panoramic RV. This video is part 3 of a 4-part series, one for each island we visited in March and April of 2022, Oahu, the Big Island, Kauai, and Maui. I've already posted the videos for Oahu and the Big Island that my wife and I visited. Now in Kauai and later on Maui, our daughter, son-in-law, and 2 granddaughters have joined us. Here's a travel tip if you want to hike some of the trails of Kauai. Some trails have very limited parking, and you'll need to reserve a parking spot, date, and time long before you leave on your trip. Haena State Park, for example, where the Kalalau Trail is located, has entrance and parking fees and requires reservations for a window of about 5 to 6 hours. Reservations open at midnight Hawaiian time, 30 days in advance, and sell out in minutes. If you take the Kalalau Trail to the end, it's a long, potentially dangerous 11-mile hike. Some people go to the falls, which is an 8-mile round trip. Most people hike to the beach, which is a challenging 4-mile round trip, taking about 3 hours to complete. And here's a tip that I failed to mention in my 2 previous Hawaii videos, but it's an important one. If you rent a car on any of the 4 main Hawaiian islands, download the Gypsy app and buy the island tours. Then anytime you're driving, open the app and you'll have your own personal tour guide in the car with you. I cannot recommend this app enough. It's very educational and very entertaining. Now stick around to the end of the video and I'll share some additional thoughts from our 5 days on the island of Kauai.
Oh my god, they're so close.
That's baby. Mom. There's baby. There's tail. Serve you some. But that was the people. Serve you some.
Hawaii has some great beaches for fun in the sun, swimming, or snorkeling. The island also has some amazing trails and lookouts, particularly the challenging Kalalau Trail. But there are many less challenging hikes, and the Waimea Canyon should not be missed. But I think the high point was the Holo Holo Charters Nepali Coast Boat Tour. Our captain, Kelly, is an excellent guide. She will stop so her guests can see the whales and dolphins along the way. The Nepali coast is otherworldly. It reminds me of scenes from Jurassic Park. It should be on everyone's short list if they're going to Kauai. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe to the Panoramic Travels channel, and click the notify button so you won't miss any videos. And don't forget, this is part 3 of a 4-part series. Next up is Maui.